At this point, I think it's safe to say that I'm nervous.
This has been a trek. Is that?
Oh my
God.
Go do that and then do that forever.
So I feel like I'm gonna have to give you a little bit of context on this because it's been so long since our last van related video, but basically back in January we bought ourselves a van that we could finally convert into our dream home, and today is the day that we actually go and pick it up from the workshop. But in case you missed it, the story was that back in January we got stuck in the UK for about 2 months thanks to like the pandemic and a sprinkling of Brexit. Hello.
Hi. We've been stuck in the UK for 2 months and we had to do what any sane person would do and buy a van.
We are so excited but actually really quite nervous, so yeah, let's go and find out if it's everything we were hoping for. Every time we leave the house with this red backpack, I feel like something important is happening.
Yeah, this backpack is the catalyst.
Spectacular.
Let's get a little dramatic hair flick. Yeah. Hello. Go on. Go on, lad. Little catwalk. Look at that.
Please stop. I regret asking you to vlog.
Just a quick update. We're on the train.
I'm trying to encourage Bart to film more, and so I handed him the camera and I was like, you vlog getting onto the train. He did not. He held the camera and said that he forgot.
Sorry folks. It's quite empty. Click, click, a clickety-doo. Wait, this one's. I think Sal's giving me jip. This double-sided microphone is the best thing. You probably can't hear what she's saying, but it must be gibberish.
Quick Uber to our coffee spot that we're excited to try to meet some YouTube friends, and then we'll be on the way to pick up the van. That seemed really close. Feels so weird. Normally when we're travelling we have so many like photography bags and suitcases, and this time I have nothing and I feel very lost.
It's quite comfortable actually. Maybe we should start minimal travelling more.
Yeah, what is this freedom? Quite a big city to be fair.
Yeah, not bad. Love it. Introducing the Polish Becky and Chris.
Yeah. Oh my god. Becky, Chris.
Absolutely delicious. We're going now to see the van. We've got like 40-45 minutes drive, which was supposed to be like 20, but because of the traffic, it's looking like it's going to be a bit longer. But we're running a bit late. Yeah, we met with our YouTube friends, talked over some projects, potential projects as well, exciting stuff. Bit of a personal catch up as well. And now we're on our way.
This was one of those situations where actually all of these struggles that we just encountered would have made it for a really good vlog. Like, would have made for a really good story, but obviously we're so stressed out in the minute.
We didn't vlog.
We didn't film it.
We would have just vlogged going around in circles in a taxi and struggling to find a destination.
And speaking Russian? Ukrainian?
Georgian.
Okay.
Yeah, you know how it is. Everything always goes a little bit not smooth, and then there's a van. Yeah, we're in.
Oh my god, there's a van. That means we're in the right place.
I think we are.
Another van.
Two vans here.
Yeah, but where's our van? Where's Dobby?
And why is the van called that?
Because it's a Renault Master, and Master gave Dobby a sock.
Master has given Dobby a sock.
No, but we're here.
Oh my god.
There's two vans right there.
Where is he?
Is Dobby inside
Yeah,
somewhere?
but where is he?
I don't know.
I can't see it as of yet. At this point, I think it's safe to say that I'm nervous.
This has been a trek. Is there?
Oh my god.
Lovely. Cześć.
Lovely.
Ciężka.
Hey.
Spoko, wiem, że jest ciężko. Cześć.
Cześć.
Hey.
Cześć, hey.
Your chest is perfect.
Oh, thank you.
So, this is your one.
Oh my god, that's so pretty. Look at it. There's a window.
Are you ready?
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah. Look at how nice it looks. Quick debrief, we've got the van, it's ready to be driven away. It feels extremely surreal. We've got a full house in the back and it's so tempting to just start living in there now.
Yeah,
Start
like,
a new
start
life.
a new life.
Yeah. I love it. We're so happy. So happy.